Hey guys, welcome back to my crypto diary. In this video, I'll be talking about creating a masternode record in the Poseidon Explorer. So on the last video, we left off on copying the transaction ID from that one Pirl that we sent to the Poseidon address. And if you haven't seen that video yet, just click on this link below to watch that. So let's get back to the video, and this was the transaction. If you see here, it's from my main account. I sent one Pirl to my wallet address that was on the Poseidon Explorer right here. So it's the one that ends in 7EE. I just sent one Pirl, and this is just to verify that I own this wallet. So the next step is what we're going to do is just create the masternode record on the Poseidon Explorer. Click on this. What you want is this transaction ID right here. Highlight that and just hit Control C. Go to the Masternodes tab right here and then create Masternode. All right. So this one, I'm just going to be naming it my content Masternode 01. All right. Wallet ID is the wallet that has the 10,000 Pearl coins. In this case, it's my main account. So I'm going to copy that address right there, paste it right here. And just to verify again, this tax hash validation is from that one Pearl that I sent initially to the wallet in Poseidon. So just to verify, we're just going to scroll down, click on this guy right here on the transaction that I sent one Pearl from, okay, and copy this, copy it, and paste it right here, okay. So in this case, I'm actually setting up a content master node. So depending on what master node you will be setting up, you just have to click on which one suits your needs. So in my case, it's going to be a content master node. And I'm just going to hit create. Okay, as you can see, what you should see now is the name of the master node that you created. And false and false for managed by Poseidon. Active is false, masternode token not active, and that is it for just creating that. All right, guys, see you in the next video.